Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead with a moment in the life with the Wolfies. Now, when we were in Florida last winter, Howie took the basket off my scooter and put it on the tongue of the scooter carrier and forgot it there. And so I've been going around without a basket on my scooter. Can you come here, dear? Film this. So what I've done, you can zoom in if you want, is I've taken, this is the basket for my walker, and I can still use it on my walker because it hooks with these. But what I've done is I have cut the wire here, and I'm now pushing it back in so that nothing catches on it. Like this, and this is where the original basket used to hang. And there we go, Bob's your uncle. Look at that. I just made my walker basket replace my lost scooter basket, and it will do double duty for both. This is Bev with just another moment in the life with the Wolfies. Take care, God bless.